Now that you know how to make a slip knot, you want to put that slip knot onto your crochet hook. When you put it on the hook, you want to make sure that it's not too loose like this so that it will just fall off. So you want to pull both ends of your yarn, your tail and your working yarn, and make it tight enough that it can comfortably move up and down. This part of your crochet hook is for your thumb to hold on to. So you're going to hold your crochet hook in your right hand. Your slip knot will be on the shaft of the crochet hook. You don't want to work down here where the point is, where it gets skinny, or else it'll be too tight for you to move through. So you want to keep it here in the working part of the hook. With your left hand, you're going to hold on to your working yarn. Remember, your working yarn is the yarn that's attached to the ball of yarn. There's different ways to hold on to that. Some people like to wrap it around their pinky and through their fingers. I just hold it over my index finger. You do whatever's comfortable for you. The next part that's going to be most important for you, and this is where a lot of people have difficulty, is to make sure that you're holding on to your slip knot. So you're going to take your thumb and your ring finger and hold on to the base of your slip knot where the actual knot is. Hold on to that and pull down on that. Now, taking your hook, you're going to yarn over, grabbing the yarn into the hook, pulling down with your thumb and ring finger, and pull the yarn through the loop. That is your first chain. To do that again, holding on to the base of your slip knot, yarn over and pull through the loop. Yarn over, pull through the loop. Now, you're going to get to a point where your thumb and your ring finger are down here and you need more room to yarn over and pull through. All you need to do is move your fingers up to the base of your next chain and continue chaining. Yarn over, pull through. Yarn over, pull through. Yarn over, pull through. And this creates your chain, which will be the base of your crochet when you want to start your project.